Hi there, I'm Tasha Harris, the WVU Extension Agent in Upshur County.
Hi, I'm Jessica Streets, and I'm the agent in Tucker County.
I'm Jody Carpenter. I'm the agent in Barber and Randolph County.
Today we're going to talk to you about how to grow strawberries for beginners.
Strawberries can be purchased as bare root plants, plugs, or established plants. When selecting varieties and purchasing plants, select from a reputable nursery with disease-free plant. Order early, as many nurseries sell out quickly. For advice on selecting a nursery, talk to your local county extension agent. Bare root plants are dormant and need to be planted shortly after arriving. Keep the bare root plant stored in a cool area until planting, and then soak the roots for about a half an hour prior to planting. Plugs are actively growing strawberry plants and are usually only available in the fall. Typically, bare root plants are planted in the early spring and plugs are planted in the fall.
Here we have a bare root plant. When planting, you want to make sure that you plant the roots downward with the upper part of the crown, the area between the roots and the stem, slightly above or level with the ground. Strawberries are one of the first fruits of the season. As perennial plants, strawberries can be grown in the home garden, raised beds, containers, high tunnels, or hanging baskets.
There are two classifications of strawberries, the short day or June bearing and the day neutral or ever bearing. June bearing varieties will flower and produce an abundance of fruit in May through June. Ever bearing varieties will flower and produce fruit throughout the growing season, reaching peaks in June and into the fall.
When determining a location for your strawberry plants, you want well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. It is highly recommended to test the soil to provide fertilizer recommendation for the berries. Apply recommended fertilizer amounts 2 to 3 weeks before planting or at least 6 weeks after planting. This will prevent fertilizer burn and provide for a larger harvest. Raised beds are the most ideal for strawberries to help promote soil drainage, soil warming, weed control, and harvesting of berries. And beds with plastic or mulch, preferably with drip irrigation underneath, set plants 8 to 14 inches apart. If beds are not used, set the plants 12 to 24 inches apart with 36 to 48 inches between the rows.
As winter approaches, plants will need mulch or row covers to protect them from freezing temperatures. This will also encourage early fruit production in the spring. Remove mulch or row covers after the threat of frost has passed, typically between March and May.
In a home garden setting, after removing the first set of runners, the plants will continue to produce daughter runners. You can let these plants roots or remove them and plant in a different location for a new set of plants.
Thank you for joining us.
To learn a little bit about the basics of strawberries,
If you have any other questions about strawberry production, contact your local county extension office.